Hi everyone, Lorraine here. Here at our integration stage, you're able to connect all your various data sources into one place so that you have one single source of truth for your data. There are three main ways in which you can get your data into Gyana. The first is uploading a CSV. This can be done by exporting directly from Excel or by utilizing CSV export options, which are available on many different tools. You're also able to add your Google Sheets data. Simply in a few steps, you can get your Google Sheets information directly into Gyana. We also have our connector option. This allows you to connect to various data source tools such as marketing tools, finance tools, productivity tools, sales tools, and you're able to get all your data into Gyana in a few short steps. For more detailed information on each of these stages, please head over to our Help Center, where we have a detailed breakdown of each of our stages.